and you're looking at it right now on your screen. Basically, this is a persistent chat widget in the bottom right-hand corner of your website that allows users to engage with your chatbot directly on the website. Now, this is in contrast to the Send to Messenger plugin, because with that plugin, people click it to opt in and then they're sent a message in the background on Messenger. With the customer chat plugin, they can engage again directly on the website and have a long form interactive conversation. So that's to differentiate the Send to Messenger plugin and the customer chat plugin just a little bit. So now that you know what it is and what it looks like, you might be asking, well, how does it actually work? What are kind of the use cases? So for me, I would say the two main use cases are for automating frequently asked questions, no matter what business or vertical you're in, and then also specifically for e-commerce, really product recommendation. What's also really cool about the customer chat plugin along those lines is that you can embed different customer chat plugins on different pages of your website. So for example, let's say you're an ice cream shop, which more on that in a second, and you have a product page. On each of those product pages for all your different flavors of ice cream, you could have one customer chat plugin that allows people to take a quiz to get a personalized product recommendation and then buy. And then maybe on another side of your website for, let's say, wholesalers who want to resell your ice cream, then you could have a completely different conversational flow there that's relevant to those users, relevant to their intention. So just some fun facts about the customer chat plugin. All that being said, though, let's dive into the actual tutorial and show you how to get it set up in 60 seconds or less. So I'm going to dive into Flow Builder here in the Chatfuel dashboard. And you can see right here, I've created this basic flow. This is the product quiz for personalized product recommendation that users will take. So to create the customer chat entry point, I'm going to, at the very beginning of the flow, double click, add the customer chat plugin, and then I can connect this to the flow. And to click on the plugin here, the entry point, for the website domain, just like I did with the Send to Messenger plugin, I'm going to enter in w3schools.com. And again, this is just the testing environment that I'm using. You actually want to enter your domain. For show on pages, if I keep this default setting here, it's going to embed this globally across my website. So if you don't want to do that, you want to edit this accordingly. For example, if I only want to embed this on my product pages, since this is the product quiz, if you will, I could type in, product / and then the asterisk, although I'm not going to do that only because I'm testing this on W3 Schools. The web URL structure is a little bit different, so it's not going to work as expected. So I'll just leave it as the default here. But again, if you want to limit access to certain pages and certain URL structures, you would want to do this. And then I'll just keep the greeting message here, the default, which is, hi, how can we help you? But I could change it to something like, hey, do you want to take our quiz? Provide some sort of incentive. For the custom colors, this is neat. If you want to customize the blue here in the customer chat plugin according to your brand colors, you can do that. You can get very specific with the, code of that color. I'll just change mine to black for sake of example. And then you have some additional settings down here, like if you want to display this on mobile or not, etc. So now that we have all of that set up, I'm going to click copy code. And then we will toggle this switch on to set it live, and then we'll just embed it on our website. So I'm going to zoom out, replace this previous script that I had as a placeholder, paste that in, click run, and voila, there we go. We can now interact with the chatbot. So you'll probably see some previous conversation here, but I could click continue as myself. I'm logged in, and it would send me that message, take me down that flow. So that is how to set up the customer chat plugin. Make sure to try it on your website today and grow your subscriber list.